As I'm reviewing some Japanese candies, I want to know what is this Grape thing. It's so interesting and there is nothing written in English. So let's see. Is it good? Is it a chewing gum? Is it a chewing gum or something else? Oh, I broke it. Wow, anyway. There's a special wooden stick. So guys, okay, I'm gonna try it. It's so chewy and grapey. It's not a gum. It's a chewy grape candy. Cannot describe, but it's so good. I really like it. Except sugar and grape. Can't taste much, but it's very pleasant. I give it 10 out of 10, guys. Please like and subscribe my videos if you like my reviews. See you soon, guys.